Hello friends, this is another chapter, another topic of English grammar, synonym, antonym and one word. Synonym, antonym and one word. This is very small topic, only for the basic to make you understand what actually synonym is and antonym and one word is. Only basic information about these words, synonym, antonym and one word. So let us know about what is synonym, what is antonym and what is one word substitution. See, synonym. What is synonym? The words which are similar in meaning. The words which are similar in meaning, that is called synonym. Once again, the words which are similar in meaning, that is called synonym. Just see example, attain, and there are so many other words, gain, achieve, get, acquire. They also mean the same. They are similar in meaning of the word attain. So synonyms are the words which are similar in meaning. So they all are synonym words. They are all synonym words. Another example, ability. Synonym words of ability, capacity, skill and talent. They almost mean the same. Ability, this is the word, and the synonym words of ability are capacity, skill, talent. The word build, there are so many other words, synonym words which are similar in meaning of build, construct, make or erect. Despise, the synonym words dislike, scorn, disdain and detest. So synonyms are the words which are similar in meaning. You have seen the word in red color and the other words in front of them, they are similar in meaning with the meaning of the word in red color. Ability, build and despise, they are similar. There are words similar in meaning. So synonyms are the words which are similar in meaning. Now about antonym. Antonym, they are the words which are opposite in meaning. It is just opposite to synonym. In synonym we saw similar in meaning, and in antonym we are just seeing the words which are opposite in meaning. They mean just opposite to what the words are. See example, above, and the word opposite to it is below. The word opposite to above is below. And the word attack, and the word opposite to it is defend. The same, the ability, the word and its antonym is inability. And the word confess is, the opposite word of confess is deny. So we have seen antonyms are the words which are opposite in meaning. Once again, the word opposite word of above is below. And attack, the opposite word of attack is defend. Opposite word of ability is inability, and opposite word of confess is deny. So antonyms are the words which are opposite in meaning. Now one word substitution. This is word which has the ability to express the meaning of many words. the meaning of many words. Once again, just we see definition of one word substitution. The word which has the ability to express the meaning of many words, means one word has the capacity to express the meaning of so many words. In place of using so many words, one word can be used. So we can see the examples. Autobiography. Autobiography, this is the one word that means life history of self. In place of saying life history of self, we can say autobiography. So this is the single word that has the capacity to express this group of words. Again, another word, biography. Biography, life history of other than self. So in place of saying so many words at a time, we can say only one word, biography. Atheist, who does not believe in God. Who does not believe in God is called atheist. So atheist is the word which has the capacity to express so many words at a time. Bigot, narrow and prejudiced religious view. Bigot means narrow and prejudiced religious view. So bigot is the one word. Homicide, killing of humankind. Killing of humankind, that is called homicide. That's why they are called one word substitution. And these words have the capacity to express many words at a time. So this much for this video this time, and this was only the basic information about antonym, synonym and one word substitution. Thank you.